Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about the output devices. In previous video we have seen the input devices. What is the use of input device? What are the input devices? We have seen the each input devices uses. In today's video we'll see output devices. Output devices. OP means output. What do you mean by output? In previous video you have seen input means what? Accepting the information from the user, means computer can accept the information from the user. That accepting that information, that is called as the input. Then output means what? See, if I have given some data input to the computer for processing, it can process. Then after processing, it gets the result. Whatever result computer has calculated, it can displayed on the monitor screen. Means whatever result computer has calculated, it will display on the monitor screen. So monitor screen is one of the output device. Means user easily can read that information on the monitor screen. Means user easily can see that result on the monitor screen. So whatever result we read, that is called as the output. Means computer give the output to the user. Whatever processed information computer has calculated, it will display on the monitor screen. That is called as a output. Then we'll see which are the output devices we are using. See, these devices supplies information and results of computation to the outside world using output devices. Using that devices, we see the calculated result, that is called as output devices. We'll see one by one. Output devices are first one is monitor, printer, speaker, plotter. These are output devices. We'll see one by one here. First one is monitor. See, this is a picture of the monitor. It similarly looks like a television, but there is a difference between the television and monitor. We'll see here. See, monitor or VDU, visual display unit. A computer monitor is an output device which display information in pictorial form. It displays the whatever information, it will display on the pictorial form on computer screen. Means user easily can read that information or see that picture on that screen. A monitor usually comprises the display device. So monitor is usually comprises the display the information. Old monitors used a cathode ray tubes. Old monitors can use this cathode ray tube for displaying purpose. Monitors often looks similar to television. Yes, it is similarly looks like a television, but there is a difference between the television and the monitor screen. We'll see here. Monitor often have higher display resolution than the television. Means monitor has a higher resolution than the television. This is one of the difference between the monitor and the television. The main difference between the monitor and a television is that a monitor does not have a television tuner to change the channels. Using remote, we can change the channel on change the channels in television. But here there is no remote for changing the channels. There is a changing channel tuner on television, but in a monitor there is no any tuner. This is the main difference between the television and the monitor screen. A monitor is the VDU of a computer system. So monitor is the visual display unit of a computer system. Means whatever we have typed anything, or whatever information we have given to computer, if you want to see that, if you want to read that, if you want to watch any movie, if you want to see any picture, using monitor we can see easily. Whatever you type through an input device, you can see it on monitor screen. See, whatever information, whatever data you have typed on keyboard, you can see that information on monitor screen. Means whatever data you have typed, it will display on the monitor screen means user easily can see that information or read that information on monitor screen. That is the use of monitor screen. Then second one is printer. Printer is one of the output device. We'll see the what is the use of printer. See here, this is the image. From here we put the paper. Here's A3 size, A4 size paper. Then see, using computer we give the command to the printer to print any data. Means whatever data we have fed on computer, it is in electronic format. That is called as a soft copy format. If you want that data on printed format, means whatever data we have saved in computer, if you want that information on paper in printing format, we give the command to the printer, then printer can print that information on paper. That is called as the hard copy format, means that is soft copy data is converted into hard copy format. See, this is one of the picture of the printer look like this. Then printer. See, printer is an output device that produces the processed information in pointed hard copy format. Means whatever data in computer, means whatever processed data is saved in computer. If you want that data on printed format, means on hard copy format, we give the command to the printer to print that information on paper. Result is obtained on papers in printed format. See, printers can be broadly classified as, means what are the types of printers. See, this is the classification of the printer. There are main two types of a printer, impact printer and non-impact printer. We'll see one by one here. Impact printer. Impact printer, again there are two types of impact printer, is character printer and line printer. There are three different types of non-impact printers are thermal printer, inkjet printer and laser printer. In laser printer we use the laser technology for printing purpose. Then character printer. There is another two types of a character printer, dot matrix printer and adhesive printer. Then line printer is, again it is divided into two parts, chain printer and drum printer. This is the classification of the printer. Here, first one is impact printer. And impact printer means what? These printers work just like typewriters. You have seen the typewriter. It just work like a typewriter. We use the typewriter for typing purpose. Similarly, whatever data we have fed on computer, it is printed on paper using this printer. Do by pressing typeface against linked ribbon and paper. These printers either use a daisy wheel or dot matrix printing mechanism. For example, drum printer, chain printer, dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer, these all are examples of the impact printer. Then non-impact printer. Non-impact printer means what? As the name of suggests, these printers do not touch the print head to the paper. It cannot touch to the printed paper while printing. In impact printer, it is typeface against linked ribbon paper. It is touched to the head. In non-impact printer, it do not touch the print head to the paper while printing. These printers are use thermal, electronic, laser, chemical or inkjet technology to produce characters and image on the paper. If you want to print any image, we use this technology for printing in this printer. For example, inkjet printer, laser printer and thermal printer. These all are examples of the non-impact printers. See here, what is the difference between the impact printer and non-impact printer? See, this is the image of the impact printer and this is the image of the non-impact printer. We'll see what is the difference between these two printers. See, difference between impact printer and non-impact printer is that impact printer prints characters or image by sticking print hammer or wheel against as linked ribbon. Means it is sticking to the print hammer while printing, And non-impact printer prints characters and images without sticking the papers. It can print without sticking the papers. It can print this printer, and it cannot sticking the paper to the print hammer. Using this technology, impact printer. This is the main difference between the impact and non-impact printers. Then third output device is speaker. All of you have seen the speaker. What is the use of speaker? See, if you listening any music, if you want that music sound voice is louder, we use the speaker. For that purpose we use speaker. See, using mic, if I have talk here anything, but those people are present here, only they can listen that whatever I have talked. If you want to listen that more number of peoples whatever you have talked, if you want to listen that more number of peoples, we use the mic. Whatever you have talked on mic, that is that we can listen from speaker. Through a speaker we can listen that voice louder. That is the use of speaker. Then plotter. Then plotter is one of the output device. See, what is the use of plotter? You have seen the what is the use of printer. See, what any image we have, any image or anything data on computer. If you want to print that, we use the printer for printing purpose. See, from computer, if I have given command to the printer for print that information or print that image on paper, but there is one size, there is one format of size, A3 size, A4 size. On only that size of paper we can print that image. If you want the bigger size of that image, we use the plotter. For example, you have seen the banners. This is the big banners. If you want that image on banner, means big, if you want the print the image bigger on banner, if you want to make the any banner, we use for that plotter. That is the use of plotter. Then hardware. Then we'll see in next video what is the use of hardware, which are hardware. Hardware means what, software means what is the difference between hardware and software, what purpose we use hardware, what is the use of software. We'll see in next video.